Hi guys, I'm Bharti Puri this side and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I want to recommend you guys my favorite red lipsticks for Valentine's Day. Now I love wearing red lipstick when it comes to winter, so it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day that you have to wear red lipsticks, so it depends on the mood. I enjoy wearing red lipstick, and these are some of my favorite red lipsticks that I want to recommend you guys. You can even gift it to one of your girlfriends as well. So yeah, I hope you all like this review video. Now these are some of my favorite formulas that I want to share with you guys, and if you're interested you can like try it out for yourself. You can even gift it to one of your girlfriends as well. Yeah, so basically this is one of my favorite combination. I'll start with this red lip liner by Rimmel London. It's one of my recent new discoveries. The formula is really good, it's affordable, and you can actually wear this Rimmel London. The lip liner is called Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Red Diva. It's affordable. The formula feels lightweight on the lips, and you can wear this all alone as well, by just all by itself on the lips, and still it's going to look very nice. Or you can like use it as a combination with another red lipstick. So I really like the formula of these this particular lip liner, and I really want to get some more colors from this particular range. So yeah, this one by Rimmel London is something I definitely recommend you guys to try it out. Now for this particular one, it's by NYX. It's called Simply Red. It's a lip cream. It comes in pencil formula, but it comes in pencil formula, and it's like twist up crayon kind of a lip cream, and it's very creamy. It's not matte, but if you blot your lips then you're going to get a nice matte finish. It's going to give that nice natural tint looking lips, reddish tint look lips. So I really like that. And this one by NYX, it feels very moisturizing on the lips. It's very glossy as well if you pack it on your lips, or you can like blot your lips in order to give a nice tint to the lips. So you can wear this in different ways, and I really like this. So this one also is one of my favorite when I want that red tint on my lips without making it looking too bold as well. Now this one by Lakme is my favorite. This one is by 925. It's their Weightless Matte Mousse Formula liquid lipstick, and this one, it takes a long time for it to set on the lips. So what I like to do if I'm in a hurry, I like to quickly apply this and blot my lips real quick, so that it gives that nice matte finish, or else it does transfer. This particular lipstick by Lakme, this one is in shade called Crimson Silk. I was wearing this non-stop a few months back, and I received a lot of compliments regarding this particular lipstick as well. Now for the dark lips, I really like this one. This is a slightly one shade darker red lip color, and this one is by Sugar Cosmetics from their Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick range, and this one is in shade 01 Brazen Raisin, and it feels kind of drying on the lips. So this one, the only con about this is that it might feel drying on the lips. So I make sure to pack on loads of moisturizer like lip balm on my lips in order to apply this liquid lipstick, because it is a liquid lipstick, and liquid lipsticks are usually kind of drying on the lips. So it's very important to prep up the lips in order to apply these kind of lipstick. Now right now here in this video I am wearing combination of this red lip liner and this red lipstick. This one is by SPEKTA brand. So SPEKTA brand is like a vegan lipstick. It's matte formula, and really like how it feels on the lips. It's matte but doesn't feel too drying on the lips. And this particular shade is so beautiful, and it's really a good exact dupe of Ruby Woo by MAC lipstick. So this one is in shade called Dirty Date. It's a bullet lipstick, flat flat lipstick, so you have to be careful in the sense for applying. You need a lip liner, like a nice lip liner or a nice lip brush, in order to wear this all alone by itself as well. It lasts for a very long time, so I really like this red lipstick by SPEKTA brand. So guys, I hope you all like this Valentine's Day special red lipsticks recommendation, and do let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite shade of red lipstick. I basically decided not to this time include MAC Ruby Woo because everybody knows about MAC Ruby Woo. And this time I wanted to give these ones a special shout out, so I made this video, and I hope you all have a nice Valentine's Day. I basically have no plans because I'm like single now, so yeah, so I'm kind of waiting for Valentine's Day to get over and then maybe go out with my friends for a nice dinner celebration or something. So yeah, I hope you all have a good time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.